Here's how to do long division with decimals. So first, you're going to look at the first digit to the left, which is 3, and that won't work because 3 is much smaller than 8. So we look at the whole number because this is a 2-digit number, 31. 8 doesn't fit perfectly into 31, but it can fit 3 times, 24, because if we add an 8, then it's going to become 32, which you never want to have an extra number. It's fine if it's a little less, but it can never be a bit more. So I'm going to write 3 over here, and 3 times 8 is 24, and when I subtract, I get 7, and I look. 8 cannot fit into 7 at all because, yet again, it's a smaller number. So I'm going to add a decimal point here because there's nothing to bring down, none of that. So, and then I'm going to add a 0 to the 7 to make 70. And I'm going to think to myself, how many times can 8 fit into 70? And I think 8 times. So, because 8 times 8 is 64. So I write 64 under 70. Then I write what the subtraction equals, which will give me 6. And now I'm going to add a 0 to it, which will make 60. Now I'm going to think to myself, how many times can 8 actually fit into 60 without going over? So I'm thinking 7 times because 8 times 7 is 56. So I'm going to write 56 under 60, and I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to get 4. And then I'm going to add a 0 to it, to the 4, which will make 40. And then I'm going to think 8 fits into 40 exactly 5 times. So I'm going to write a 5 next to the 7. And then I can write a 40 under this 40. And when I subtract, it gives me 0. And now you've learned how to do long division with decimals.